Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to use Edge Light on WhatsApp video calls on your Mac. Edge Light is an all-new macOS feature that turns your Mac screen into a virtual ring light for video calls. It works by displaying a bright, adjustable border around the display to illuminate your face using your Mac's internal processing to adapt the light for better video quality without external hardware. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Edge Light feature on WhatsApp video calls on your Mac. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch WhatsApp on your Mac, and then we have to start a video call as usual. And once you have connected to a video call, hit the FaceTime icon located at the top right. And then you have to choose the Edge Light option in the menu, and you're all set. It will instantly display a bright, adjustable border around the display to illuminate your face using your Mac's internal processing to adapt the light for better video quality without using or without the help of any external hardware. It's worth pointing out that it will fade out when you move your mouse cursor near the edge. From what I have experienced, it's a pretty cool feature and can play a vital role in spicing up your WhatsApp video calling experience on your Mac, especially when chatting with your dear ones. Later, if you ever want to get rid of the Edge Light feature, simply head over to the same menu and deselect it, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.